You create a song and want to publish it. You want your craft to be listened by millions or maybe billions of people. The problem is necessarily your craft. It's just the need of the right platform and the right people. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you as an artist or a musician can publish your song and distribute it and make it known by the millions of people. Or maybe billions. Stay tuned. What's up, artists? I'm just today with Onemaker.io. So, what are you creating today? With Onemaker.io, you can make logos, animations, and slideshow music creative templates for your business, craft, for your music, or any other creation. In this video, you're going to learn about why you should be on Spotify, what's the purpose to put your craft on any platform, how to put your song on Spotify. There are 5 ways through which you can put your music on Spotify. As an artist, we all dream big. All dream to make the large sums of money with our craft. And if it's music, you can even dream bigger. And the best way to make money from your music is to get onto as many streaming stores and platforms as possible. And make sure you give 100% of your royalties. Afterwards, you want to study your music on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Tidal, Pandora, etc. to maximize your fan base and especially the giant ones like Spotify, Ghana, which has billions of fans and reach and can accelerate your career to heights. You never know. With that said, let's jump right into the action areas. First thing first, why you should be on Spotify. What's the purpose to put your craft or your music in any such platform? Spotify has become one of the most famous music streaming platforms. It is also a gateway for many artists, musicians who want to achieve the heights in the music industry or in the glam industry. From small artists to renowned ones. Believe it or not, it's a great tool. Spotify has more than 1 million worth active users. So whether you are an artist, podcaster, or someone who wants to get their art, craft, and music heard, this platform is meant for you. How to put your music on Spotify? As an artist or musician, you never know what would be your next big hit. Let's start with some basic steps that you will consider to create and sign up for a distribution deal to be released to Spotify. Firstly, add your song or album details to the album details. Upload your audio files or upload the song or the album artwork. Choose which store to distribute your music on. Next, choose which distribution model you want to use for your music or your craft. Now you have made your mind that you want to put your music on Spotify and even know the basic steps. But one of the major pains is how to choose your distribution partner. Because it's important to have the right one for you. As an artist, you might not be aware of. There are 5 ways through which you can put your music on Spotify. Let's see how you can do that. First, browse out. If you are looking for some free options to put your music on Spotify, this is the option for you. Then CSP allows the artist to upload the music with no charge. Also, you can get the benefits of putting your music on other platforms including iTunes and listeners. However, with the free version of the app, you will get the 85% of royalties. Fair enough. So if you want to reap 100% royalties after paying one-time fees, that can be good options once you grow up. Second, you can consider Lenda. Lenda is a one-stop solution for your distribution process. Our platform that will do more than just upload the music on Spotify. Lenda includes some mastering services that prepares your music to be distributed. Wonder how? You need the check. Unlike other platforms, Lenda will cost you a fee. After paying that particular amount of fee, you can upload as much content as you want. Lenda offers different types of subscription. 3 main types are basic one, advanced one, and pro, which covers different on their facility. And if you're on a budget, here's the option for yours. There's even a low quality MP3 only membership or as low as $1 a month with a limit of 10 tracks. So you can consider that too if you're low on budget. Next, you can consider Music Gateway. Music Gateway is another good platform to distribute music. It offers a free music distribution service and music licensing to help artists to distribute their music on streaming platform. This music distribution service will get your music onto all giant distribution platforms or streaming platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. What's more, you keep 100% of your sales and they don't get a penny from you. You can try a trial basic then for creating a free account and get 2 songs to start with. It can also be the one-step solution to promote your music and amplify your streaming presence. So why not do it all in one place? Distribution as well as promotion. Another tipping considered is Streamable. Streamable is also considered to be a great distribution platform because of its affordable music distribution fee, which makes it even popular among many independent artists. Streamable does more to get your music listened to and playlists Spotify and other streaming apps on your mobile device. A few more great features that this platform offers include: you'll be the primary representative of your brand. Keep all the rights to your music. Own it. Keep 100% of your music royalties to yourself. What's better than that? Get access to the Apple Music trend reports. You can also receive monthly music sales report, give the chance to add a single album and customers cover art. Next you can try is DistroKids. All your music deserves to be in the stores and reach millions or maybe billions of listeners. DistroKid is a great service that lets you upload unlimited music to stores for one low price and give 100% of your earnings. Other services make you pay every time you upload something, or they take a big percentage of your earnings, which is less fun when it comes to get the full ownership, as we have discussed before. DistroKids have a further feature like it is simple interface and lens of the unique features too. That includes automatic splits. It also provides you instant music video generators. I can also enjoy the Spotify resale pages. Quality is everything. And covers all clearance. Big place for the DistroKid artist. Other one is synchronize your lyrics on Instagram is very helpful and lovely. It also provides you TikTok and which also have the fastest payouts in the world and much more. But the choice is yours. No one knows better than you. Take a breath, rewind this video and choose what's gonna best suit you. Any other question about the distribution process, leave a comment below and we would love to help you. What I also think is that you might like to get a 2-month free subscription with Onemaker.io. On Onemaker.io, we are simply organizing a giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite distribution platform if you're already using one. Or just choose the one which we have discussed in the video. And we'll select for you winners at random in just 1 week. And don't forget, we DTS should now have Facebook handle all the contact details so we can connect you if you win. Please do not forget to like and share this video. We'll talk with a new topic, a new video and better news for you. So hit the subscribe button so you will be the first one to watch the new. I'll see you soon in the next video and keep grinding away as the camera says, shine bright like a diamond. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.